So, yet another game where I had to immediately turn down the volume, but I've done that. And this is the Demolition of Earth for Demo Day 15. Also, Earth Attackers on the page. Space Invaders. Space Invaders. Looks like it's AD Space. Does the gamepad work? Oh, it does not. Go pew. But I can only go pew very slowly. Okay. Can I destroy my blocks? Yes, I can. It does the little bitmap thing. But like, I'm standing in the middle here, and it seems to prioritize hitting the left one and then hitting the right one, which is not what I want. I'd rather get through this as fast as I can if I'm trying to use this as a shield, right? And it's very hard to position myself such that I only hit one pixel. So I'd rather there be some kind of like deterministic algorithm, right? Like, if I'm in this place, always floor it such that I'm always hitting this specific pixel, so I don't have to break both of these blocks at the same time. That makes sense. And then you just play Space Invaders. I know how this works. Very fun. I'm noticing up here some clipping between the explosions and the little targets that I'm hitting. It feels cheap. Not much more to say about that. Okay, so it looks like the amount of shot I can do is determined by energy level. Energy level caps out at 1.25, and then I can just go. So that's probably 1.25 seconds. That still feels very low. And I haven't played the original Space Invaders in a while, so maybe it's also that slow in that game. But it's just not that fun to play. If I have to wait for this slow cooldown. Now I actually have to start aiming. I'm not sure what the logic is on where they choose to turn. I think it might be that they have a set pattern and they don't adjust their set pattern when more of them die. So instead of having this like line of two that always goes to the end and then comes to the other end, this is like a block that just moves in a set pattern, and this is where it would be in that set pattern if the rest of the blocks were there. Which is hard to predict, let's say, because I don't remember which blocks I've shot and which blocks I haven't shot. And then I get all this RPG stuff going on. Okay. Yes, give me as many bullet speeds as you can give me. I did not enjoy that experience. Alright, so they get shields this time. Okay. I have to aim now. I don't know, this is just not very immediate gameplay. Rip. Earth has been destroyed. Or more accurately, I've been destroyed, and then that also applies to the Earth. So I'm sure there's more to this game, but I don't feel like playing very much more because it's Space Invaders with some RPG elements. I don't really need to play that today. And I think I've said that to a few games so far in the demo day, where it's just they're making older games and they're not trying to think of ways to spin it for themselves. And I know the advice is always make Pong, make Space Invaders, make Tetris, but when you're making it, you have the time, you have the ability, presumably, to like think of your own ideas and like just branch out, see what you can do that isn't just straightforward. Hey, here is Space Invaders, and then that would make me much more interested to play it and find out more about your game. If that makes sense. All right, see ya.